Hello, it's Nick, and today I want to show you how to create a user journey map in Figjam. But before we dive into the actual process of creation, I want to answer two popular questions about the user journey mapping. What is a user journey map, and why do we need to create one? A user journey map is a visual representation that outlines the steps and experiences a user goes through when they interact with your product or service. It's a story about a user doing something to achieve their goal, and interacting with your product is a part of this story. User journey can cover the activities that happen even before the user actually starts using your product. User journey map provides a holistic view of the user experience. It helps product team to understand the user perspective, identify users' pain points, and highlight opportunities for improvement. Let's switch to Figjam and review the user journey template that this tool provides. Click Template and type User Journey Map. Select User Journey Map by Figma. You see that the user journey template comes with two elements. One of them is quick tips, which teaches us how to make the most of this tool. And another one is user persona. Persona is who exactly is going through this user journey. User persona has a relatively simple structure: picture and name, demographic details, user needs, user mindset. What's the user mindset when they interact with your product? User Journey Map template features the following elements. User steps. Divide the user's interaction into individual phases or stages. User actions. Describe specific actions that the user takes at each stage. Goals and experiences. What is the user trying to accomplish? Feelings and thoughts. The emotional state of the user during each stage. We will use emoji along with the text to communicate the emotional state. Pain points. We need to identify challenges, frustration, and negative experience that the user might encounter. Opportunities. Highlight areas where improvements can be made to enhance the user experience. Opportunities may arise from pain points. Before filling out the blanks in this template, we need to do two things. Establish a user persona. We will use it as a reference when creating a user journey map. And create a scenario of interaction. Scenario is something that the user wants to do in your product. Both user persona and scenario should be rooted in user research. Conduct research before doing a journey mapping. We will create a user journey map of popular streaming service Netflix. Our target persona will be a young woman named Sarah in her 20s who loves watching horror movies. We need to specify user needs and mindset in which Sarah plans to use Netflix. Our scenario is that Sarah wants to watch a trendy horror show, The Fall of House of Usher, streamed by Netflix. We will break the scenario into the phases. Discovery. Sarah hears about Netflix's recent horror show, The Fall of House of Usher, and decided to visit Netflix website or download the app. User actions. Sarah searches for Netflix on Google. She visits Netflix website or App Store to download the app. Goals and expectations. She wants to confirm that Netflix streams this show. She expects to find a wide variety of other high-quality content for entertainment. Feelings and thoughts. Excitement and curiosity about the platform offerings. Pain points. Limited information about Netflix movie collections before signing up. She cannot browse the collection without creating an account. Opportunities. Allow users to explore the video library before creating an account. Sign up. Sarah creates a user account. User actions. Sarah fills out the registration form and provides credit card details. She expects a straightforward and secure sign-up process. Feelings and thoughts. She wants to start exploring content. Pain points. Netflix doesn't offer free trial. The registration process requires credit card details, which might lead to frustration. Opportunities. Offer a free trial for users. Onboarding. During onboarding, Sarah creates her user profile and specifies some preferences. User actions. Sarah creates her profile, select language, and preferences. She expects a personalized and user-friendly onboarding experience. Feelings and thoughts. Anticipation for tailored content recommendations. Pain points. Irrelevant targeted recommendation might lead to initial dissatisfaction. Opportunities. Improve personalized recommendations using AI. Content consumption. Sarah searches for the TV show The Fall of the House of Usher to watch it. User actions. Sarah types the name of the show in the search bar. She clicks on the TV show thumb to view details. She is watching the trailer to understand what the show is all about. She expects to find the show as fast as possible. Feelings and thoughts. Can't wait to watch the show. Pain points. Inaccurate or insufficient information may lead to inaccurate impression about the TV show and dissatisfaction. Opportunities. Add user review next to the TV show to help understand how other users think about it. Retention. After finishing the first episode, Netflix suggests the next one. Users' actions. Sarah might consider to continue watching the show or explore other titles. Goals and expectations. Seamless transition between the episodes when the new episode is available. Feelings and thoughts. Curious to know what will happen next. Pain points. When the next episode is not available right now, the user has to wait. Opportunities. Mention when the episode will be available. Plus, send a notification about that. Suggest similar TV show that the user can watch while waiting for the next episode. This is how our user journey map will look like with all the details. Let me know what you think about this approach for creating user journey maps. Thank you.